Let's turn to the very latest now on the viral spread of the Omicron variant that continues to spook the world. There is now a growing call across several states led by Arvind Kejriwal in Delhi to ban international flights from the high-risk countries to India. The Maharashtra and the Delhi governments want these flights from at-risk nations to be stopped at once. This even as the Home Ministry has asked the states and union territories to step up tracking, testing and sequencing. Here is what India is doing now to counter the Omicron threat.
Is a flight ban imminent in India? Will sweeping travel curbs be back? Is a COVID lockdown looming once again at large? As the world was taking baby steps to normalcy after the deadly waves of this pandemic, even opening up air travel across the world, comes this monster mutated strain of the coronavirus. First traced in South Africa, Omicron has prompted the return of flight bans and travel curbs in many countries. Delhi Airport has already ramped up tracking, testing and treating facilities for those arriving from at-risk countries.
Put in advisory boards inside the airport, as well as amped the facility which is there for testing. A facility was earlier a 1,000-seat facility, which has now been increased to 1,400-seat facility.
All passengers arriving at the Mumbai airport will have to get their passports scrutinized at the immigration counter for travel history of the last 2 weeks.
The Mumbai mayor visited the airport. She checked what are the measures put in place. There were around 50 counters before the new variant came in the scene, and now 80 counters at Mumbai airport, so that people who are coming, the travelers who are coming from the countries of concern, they has to be checked. They have to be kept in institutional quarantine, and then their RT-PCR test will be done again. A list of about 466 such travelers has been made in the entire MMR region, out of which 97 people are only in Mumbai. The constant tab is being kept on all these travelers.
Opposition-ruled Delhi, Maharashtra, Jharkhand are at the forefront of the demand to ground flights from all hotspots.
अगर भारत में कोरोना वायरस आया तो विदेशों से ही आया, ये हिंदुस्तान का वायरस तो था नहीं। अगर उस टाइम में फ्लाइट्स बंद करके और जो फ्लाइट्स आ भी रही थी, अगर उनको प्रॉपर क्वारंटाइन करके किया गया होता तो शायद ऐसी स्थिति नहीं आती कि हम लोग इतनी बड़ी मुसीबत में फंसते।
महाराष्ट्र के मंत्रिमंडल में इसकी चिंता व्यक्त की गई है कि क्यों ना हम इस सभी रिस्की कंट्रीज के फ्लाइट्स को बैन करें और उस तरीके की विनती भी केंद्र शासन को करें।
Karnataka has sent samples from a COVID-positive flyer from South Africa for genome sequencing to detect whether it's the Omicron variant. His results sounded an alarm as they were found to be different from the expected Delta variant.
We have taken strict measures on the borders also. Plus, we are keeping a strict vigil in the airport regarding foreign travelers, especially the countries where the new strain Omicron has been detected. And we have made test compulsory. We are taking all precautions.
The centre is keeping a hawk's eye on the Omicron threat.
कि ओमिक्रॉन वेरिएंट अभी दुनिया के 14 कंट्री में पाया गया है और यहाँ उसका अभ्यास हो रहा है। इंडिया में अभी उसका कोई केस रिपोर्ट नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन दुनिया में जिस तरह से इस वायरस के संदर्भ में हमें सूचना मिली, उसको देखते हुए एक एडवाइजरी भी डिक्लेयर की गई है। पोर्ट पर हमने भी देखरेख रखना शुरू कर दिया है। कोई भी ऐसे संदिग्ध केस है तो उसको तुरंत ही चेक करके उसको जीनोमिक सीक्वेंसेस भी करा रहे हैं।
The Home Ministry has told states to ensure stringent screening and testing of foreign arrivals. Samples of all positive flyers will be sent for genome sequencing. Contacts of international travellers will also be closely tracked and tested.
Air travel is a very flexible mechanism. Large number of people who come from US come via Qatar and Dubai and all that. How are you going to stop them? So, for all passengers coming with the travel history, which will be seen, based on that, protocol has been laid out. They are well thought.
For now, double vaccinating, wearing your mask and maintaining social distancing remain the best armor against the super mutant as the world makes sense of Omicron. Bureau Report, India Today.